everyone, Lynne Huysamen here. Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I wanted to introduce you to and share my review of the LG Smart Inverter washing machine. Before I go any further, I just want to disclose that this is a sponsored video, which means that LG has given me the machine free of charge, in addition to financially compensating me for this video and review. When LG contacted me and told me that they want me to review their LG Smart Inverter washing machine, I have to admit that I was really excited. And part of this excitement comes that when my husband and I got married, I told him we're going to need a washing machine for the baby's clothes. And he very nicely went out and bought a machine without talking to me, which is sweet and all. However, the person that uses the machine should have a bit of input into which machine is bought, since they're going to be the one using it day in, day out for years and years and years. And my husband bought a nice machine. It was nice enough. It did the job, but it's 5 kilograms. And I mean, I can just picture all the moms doing an eye roll now. I just do load after load after load after load of washing, and it's really frustrating for me. So when I looked at the specs and I could choose between a 5 kilo, a 13 kilo, a 15 kilo, and a 17 kilo washing machine, I literally nearly wet myself with excitement. I chose the 15 kilo washing machine because I thought that would be perfect for my family of 4. So let me tell you what I really like about this machine. The first thing is that it is so easy to use, and I really feel like a dunce when it comes to technology and appliances. I always feel like I'm going to push the wrong button, and I often feel like I don't understand how it works, what all the buttons are for. This machine is completely different. I did read the instruction manual from front to back, just because I was scared that I'd push the wrong thing and break it. But I didn't actually need it. It's, the buttons speak for itself, and it's so easy to use. The second thing I love is that it's got such great functionality. It's got a wide range of things that you can do. One of my favorite functions is the spinning. You can choose between mid, normal, and high, as well as air dry. And what this means is that, if you choose normal, your clothes are going to come out, wet like they do after they've been washed. But if it's a really sunny day, you can hang it up, it'll dry really quickly. You can also choose, the medium and the high, which is going to obviously give you slightly drier clothes, and then even air dry. So if you choose air dry, you'd be able to, if it's a really rainy day, air dry the clothes and hang them up inside, and they'd be dry by the morning. Another function that I really love is that you can set the time that the cycle starts. So you can load your machine, you can put your clothes in, put your washing powder in, everything, and then you can set the time that it's going to start the wash. And the reason that I like this is because I often used to put the washing on in the evening, but I didn't like it sitting wet in the machine all day, so that I could hang it up in the morning when I got home from dropping the kids at school. What I do now is I put everything in the machine in the evening, I set it up, I schedule it, and then it starts washing when I leave to take the kids to school. And by the time I come back, it's really first thing in the morning, 8 o'clock, for me just to hang up on the line. Perfect. The third thing I like is that this machine saves electricity. The energy saving with Smart Inverter means that this machine is only going to use the amount of power that it absolutely has to complete each task. So essentially, it's going to save you 36% power usage if you use this machine. It's also got a standby power feature, and what this means is that it will turn itself off after it's finished a cycle. The next thing is I found that this machine actually washes my clothes better. My clothes are coming out cleaner, and it looks to me like the wash is being easier and softer on my clothes, not as harsh. So I believe that using this machine is going to make my clothes last longer. The machine's got a smart motion, which means that it uses 3 different types of motion. It's got agitating, rotating, and swinging. And the turbo drum means that it's got an incredibly powerful wash. It's got a strong stream of water from the rotating drum and the pulsator in the opposite direction. Another point I absolutely love is this machine saves water, which, I mean, in South Africa with our drought going on and water restrictions, Cape Town, day zero looming, I mean, this is absolutely essential. What this machine does is it measures your load and it uses just enough water to get your washing done. It doesn't just fill it right up to the top like some machines do. And lastly, this machine is quiet and durable. The smart inverter keeps the sound down and it keeps the machine stable. I know in the last couple of years, my washing machine that I was using, my previous one, I turn it on, it's in one place. I come back to the garage and it's sitting in another place. So it's been hopping along the garage floor, moving around. I know a lot of people got their washing machines in their kitchen and then it's often in a little nookie, so it can't move around too much. But mine's in the garage, so I mean, I literally come in and it looks like someone's been trying to steal it because it's like moved right across the garage. This machine is stable, it's quiet, it doesn't vibrate and shake and jump. It's absolutely stunning. And don't forget that the smart inverter motor has got a 10-year warranty, which is not bad at all. Anyway, I highly recommend that you guys check out this washing machine. I'll put a link below my video to my blog review where you can check out some more information. And I will also include a link to LG to have a look at this washing machine. Right, so I haven't done a wash for my kids' stuff in 2 days, and this is my wash. Yep, just 2 days. This would be in my previous machine, this would be 3 loads worth. So I've already checked all the pockets and everything to make sure that there's nothing inside. So I'm just going to open up and I'm just going to chuck my whole load in. What you have to do when you put everything in is you have to make sure that everything is evenly spread. And as you can see, that fills it up. That is 3 loads of washing that would have been in my previous machine. I just throw everything in. I absolutely love it. Right, the soap goes in here. A little bit of soap. I don't have any fabric softener at the moment. If you do, it just goes into the next compartment. Right. Turn on the power. I'm going to choose myself a quick wash. I'm going to choose myself a mid-spin. That's so cool. With this washing machine, you can choose between a low, mid, high, or air dry spin. And what's really nice about this is if, for example, it's a normal February day where it's like 38 degrees, you can put it on to just a normal spin and then you can hang it up and it can dry really quickly. But say, for example, it's raining or it's a bit of a cool day, like today it was a bit of rain. So I'm going to do a mid spin, which means that I can hang my washing on the line and it will probably dry before the end of the day without any problems. I'm going to leave all the other settings as they are and I'm going to press go. And you can see here, it's going to take a total of 37 minutes. All in all, I've really enjoyed it. I've been using it for a month now. And I can really see the difference in, you know, the quality of the machine and the job that it's doing. It's absolutely outstanding. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.